and the effects on the aviation industry. I've taken a lot of interest in that. We've had a lot of events tied to airlines and crashes and problems. And I think there's going to be an expansion in air travel. I think there's going to be more technological innovation with air travel. Upgraded communication systems. When I was living in Houston, I lived down the road from a guy who worked for the FAA, and that was back in the late 80s, and he was bemoaning the fact of the outdated communication systems, which have not been changed since then, by the way. So I think there's going to be enough public and collective pressure where they're going to start spending some money. They've got a huge reserve of money that they haven't spent for whatever reason. And we're going to see some upgrades in the airline industry and better mobility solutions. For example, in DC, after 9/11, they took what was essentially a 6-lane airspace and compressed it into a 2-lane airspace, and they all have to travel down the Potomac. And so it's very, very dense through there. And, I think we're going to see some shifts and changes with that very busy airport as well. We are